Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Firstly, check these channels. These channels making hundred and even thousands of dollars using this simple trick. And this is 100% monetizable trick. And my subscriber also tell me to create this video. So let's go to the video. I am cutting this video in 3 simple steps. So please don't skip this video, otherwise you miss important part. So first trick is creating prompts. For creating prompts, I am using Bard. You can also use ChatGPT for this purpose. Copy and paste this prompt. You can also change the number of prompts and also change this to change your script or story. So now Bard creates me 10 prompts and I will copy and then paste to the second step. Now my second step is creating images. So for creating images, I am using Ideogram. You can also use Midjourney and even Bing Create and many more websites for creating images. My opinion, Ideogram is the best because it is totally free of cost and you can create hundreds of images per day. So first of all, paste your prompt here, then you can change the setting from here and you can also change the style of your image. For my opinion, I am creating images different from other YouTubers because these YouTubers creating images with the same scheme, but I want to create images with a different scheme. So that's why I am creating prompts and images from different styles. And according to my website, I can create images in different variants for 9x16, and you can create this for your shorts and even your long videos. So let's create images. This website can create images in 4 variants and you can use 4 variants and even one variant which you mostly like. So after some seconds it can create images and you can download it at high quality. You can see I can create images and which one you like the most, you can simply click on it and save images and save it to your desktop and any other folder you want to save. Then copy and paste all the prompts. Copy and paste all the prompts one by one. Now I'll fast forward this video. So open any editing software. I use CapCut. You can also create images and then edit at CapCut in your mobile phone. But I recommend you to edit your video on PC because some other transitions and effects may consume your PC requirements. Then create a new project and import all your images of your cat. I import all these images and set that same rule. Then make some transitions and make a story type video. So first of all, line by line images. Now I create almost 6-second video. So let's add some transitions. You can add transitions like fade out, black smoke. You can also use edit YouTube video downloader. Then I downloaded video. Then I simply drag and drop here and extract audio. Now check this out. This is looking some fast, so I simply make these clips some longer duration. Now this is looking some better. Now check out. I think you firstly go to Bard and write a cartoon story, then create related prompts and then create images. You can add some transitions effects to make your video more attractive, and be careful because there are some issues while monetizing your channel because your audio is not copyrighted free, but there are some issues while monetizing because you are using AI clips and you are using music from YouTube, and YouTube will never recommend your channel to others. And I think you should create your own music or your own song. In my opinion, you should survey solo.ai. In this website you can create music, non-copyrighted music with free of cost, and you can listen this.
Down, I was hoping at the ceiling down.
and you can download it without any copyright issue because this is AI created. There you go, our audio is downloaded, and now drag and drop here. Now check this out. I will mute this.
Meow meow, paws on piano, can you see me now? Whiskers twitching, melodies so sweet, I'ma feel like dreaming of a happy beat, oh yeah.
This is much better, and you can use it now without any copyright issue because this is the best way to monetize your channel. You are using copyrighted free content, and the song is also from AI and clips are also from AI. Now you can monetize your channel without an issue. So this is the video. I think you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, and meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.